is right and running as our office. The Presidential Management Staff, thus, its primary job of supporting the day-to-day requirements of the presidency. So, since 1997, the value of our human resources has been officially recognized through Proclamation number 1130, which declared the first week of December of every year as National Government Employees Week. So, yung pala, meron po pala tayong pinag-dealing mo ngayong week nito. So, today, we renew this recognition. So, to our valued partners, we now offer you this seminar, a gift of learning on health and wellness. We are lucky to have Dr. Robin V. Navarro and his team to speak on very basic but revealing ways of getting healed and staying healthy. So brace up, because this lecture may surprise most of you. Far from breakthroughs and technologies for treatment in Western medicine, Dr. Robin V. Navarro, fondly called Dr. Egg or Dr. Bulalo, we will walk us through some of the important things in life that we need to get back to for disease treatment and good health. Our guest is a doctor of medicine who was conferred Bulirang Ama in 2009 Sectoral Awardee for Medicine and Allied Sciences by the National Mothers and Fathers Day Foundation Incorporated. So in June 21, 2009, in commemoration of this year's International Celebration of Father's Day at Kachina Ballroom, Century Park Hotel, Manila, Philippines, 28 Pangasinan Achievers 2011 awardee in the field of medicine, which was awarded by Diwa Salita at Gawa. This is an association of Pangasinan Press and Media Writers. And one of the Dangal ng Bacoor awardee in the field of medicine in the recently concluded celebration of the 338th Foundation Anniversary of Bacoor Festival last September 29, 2009 at SM Bacoor, Cinema 6, Bacoor City. So after graduation in 1972 at Far Eastern University, Nicanor Reyes Medical Foundation, he became a research and teaching fellow and a member of the faculty teaching anatomy and biochemistry. He trained in family medicine at the Ocampo Memorial Medical Center in Manila, where he also taught anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology in 1974, from 1974 to 1977. He became a chief of hospital of Calatagan Community Hospital in Calatagan, Batangas in 1977-1979. He pursued other interests, like he was trained in soil science and soil nutrition under Dr. Paul Silty, Soil Scientist and Research Director of Appropriate Technology in Texas, USA in 1980. And in Plant Nutrition by Dale Spurter, Research Director, Agriculture Department, Ambassador College, Pasadena, California, USA in 1980. He also studied various journals on nutrition, like human, poultry, animal, and even aquaculture. So he also received the following honors awards, like Doctor of Medicine honoris causa, awarded by the Oxford College of Applied Science at the University of Oxford. This is in 1996. And he also received the Outstanding Research Fellow by Newton Hall Foundation, Committee for Basic Research in Oxford, England in August 2000. He has developed a rapid management of diseases known as cellular and biochemical medicine, patterned after Dr. Seuss Fleur of Germany. So inspired by the studies made by Nobel Prize awardees Dr. Otto Warburg on cellular nutrition and Hans Adolf Krebs for his research on the importance of metabolic cycles, he further upgraded the system. So now, the speed of patients' improvement is exponential due to its stem cell enhancing effect. At present, Dr. Navarro is the head consultant on cellular and biochemical medicine and wellness and rejuvenation center at the Cityland Show Tower in Mandaluyong and in Dagupan City. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Dr. Ruben B. Navarro.
Buenos días, señoritas y señoritas. Y senyor and senyora. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, mga dalagang binata, at senyor and senyora, mga senior citizen. Thanks for the introduction. I never expected I would see a beautiful flower around you. See, this is Madam Meng Flores for the introduction. And also for the introduction to my family by the son of King Saul and friend of King David, St. Jonathan. That is biblical. So at least you are now aware about the Bible. Way back when I was studying medicine, pag nakakita ko ng na-stroke, talagang wala nang pag-asa. Aabutin sila ng taon-taon, ganun pa rin. Yung mga COPD, my father died of COPD sa Makati Medical Center. When he was confined there, 1 week lang, my father died already. And I was then an intern, so hindi siya under my care. Thank God, He gave me wisdom to manage diseases very, very fast. Yung COPD, they can live only 1 to 3 years. At most, swerte ka lang umabot ka ng 5 years. But with my stem cell enhancing, in 1993, si Tony Acuña Sanz, first cousin ni Jerry Acuña Rojas, nagkaroon siya ng COPD at doon sa Makati Medical, iniiyak na siya and he was dying already. So, alam mo, pag umiiyak na, how would you feel, diba? That means, sinabihan siya ng kanyang doctor's hospital na Dr. Lenin President Marcos na talagang wala ng pag-asa. Ngayon, babasa ng Panorama Magazine. I was featured sa Panorama Magazine that time. Hindi pa ako masyadong kilala noon. 1993. Last year, I was featured in the Panorama Magazine. Okay, cover story ako last year. September, September last year. Pero at that time, since hindi man ako popular, hindi ako cover story, undercover. Kung sa mga cover ng news daw. Eh di ngayon, nabasa ko ni Mrs. Sanz, so immediately nagpadala siya ng nurse at saka driver sa specialist group hospital where I was a consultant. Then, after studying the case, COPD, and he was 77 years old, he was dying already, any moment, mamamatay siya. So, pinadala ko siya ng stem cell enhancing. Plus, yung diet niya, biblical diet. And would you believe that within 2 weeks, si Mr. Sanz, 77 years old, naglalaro na siya ng golf. Remember, Dolphy died with the same condition, right? Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. You remember that, no? Eto, 77 years old, mamamatay na. Within 2 weeks, he was playing golf. Doon sa parke ng mga mahihirap sa Makati. Alam niyo po ba yun? Parke ng mga mahihirap sa Makati. That is Progress Park. Progress Park. And Mr. Sands lived, by the grace of God, up to 94 years old. Another 70 years old. Miracle, right? And that's the effect of stem cell enhancing. Nung makita ko siya, at nagkasunod-sunod na, grabe. I would like to show you some results which really shocked me before I start my talk. Okay? I had a patient from Baguio. Pasyente siya ng dalawang malaking hospital sa Baguio. Okay? Yung isang pasyente siya ng isang government hospital at naging pasyente rin siya sa eye center sa Urdaneta. To no avail. Ang sakit niya, yung left eye niya, nagkaroon ng epithelioma at according to the doctors, they're cancer at she was totally blind last February. At na-stroke pa siya 2010. 2010, na-stroke na at totally blind. So sabi sa kanya ng dalawang doktor, isang hospital doon, parang it sounds like French ang pangalan ng hospital. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Isa government hospital. The two hospitals said, the only thing para mabuhay sa is enucleation. Tatanggalin ng mata niya. Tapos papalitan ng artificial eye. Ngayon, sabi ko sa kanya, kung dahil po kasi sa akin, hindi siya nagpa-opera. Sabi niya, kung natanggal ang mata ko, ay nga, papalitan ng artificial eye. So sabi ko sa kanya, paglabas mo sa hospital, kasi may artificial eye ka, baka mahulog naman ang eye, magugulo yung papuntang gawin yun. Maaamin ko ba yun, na-stroke ka. And this is the miracle. I treated her February, March, April, May, June. By June, nakakakita na siya at lumalakad na siya. Na-stroke siya 2010, paralyzed siya. By within 3 to 4 months, yung mata niya, yung damage sa brain, dramatic. I've never seen anything like that. It shocked me. And makikita niyo yung picture niya mamaya, at pala yung pangalan niya, pakikita ko sa result. So at least alam niyo na ngayon pala it's possible na mapagaling mo kasi ang topic ko is stem cells. Stem cells are young cells or baby cells. They keep on multiplying as stem cells. But when they differentiate, they can be anything under the sun. Kung na-brain damage ka, pupunta siya sa brain mo, na-stroke ka, paralyzed ka, pupunta siya sa brain mo, magiging brain cells. So, makakalakad ka na in 3 months time. Kung ito for liver transplant, pakikita ko sa inyo mga cases for liver transplant. Yung pasyente ko si Rolando Saloma, 48 years old, sabi sa kanya ng isang government hospital somewhere in Top Avenue. The only solution for you to live, kasi panggamit niya, screwdriver, yan toxic hepatitis. So sabi ng gastroenterologist sa malaking hospital na yun, for you to live, kailangan mo ay liver transplant. And it would cost him how much? 5 million? Pupunta pa siya sa Amerika. Then I treated Mr. Rolando Saloma, you'll see his picture mamaya. Within 1 month, normal na siya. At 2007 until now, nagtutuloy siya. But the doctor said mamamatay siya within 3 months. So that's a shock. That's the speed of stem cell enhancing. Sa introduction, si Rolando Bucaw, pasyente siya na isang malaking hospital sa Makati. Hindi na sabihin ito ka, sabi sa kanya ng cardiologist, 4 na doktor na sabi sa kanya, kasi pag naglakad mula rito sa Bandaron, babaksak siya. Ang sakit niya, unstable angina. When you say unstable angina, any moment, mamamatay ka. So all the 4 doctors sa hospital na yun sa Makati said, pag hindi ka na-bypass, 4 mamamatay ka. Bill mo, babaksak siya, nagsisikip ang dibdib. Ginamit ko siya 2007, with the grace of God. Within 6 months, perfect. Okay na? Ngayon, nagmamarathon na siya. 40 kilometers, 60 kilometers, 80. Senior citizen po siya, 60 years old. Kung gusto niyo makita siya, sa Milo, siya yung senior citizen na tumatakbo. No bypass. So, that is how stem cell works. So, the introduction, makikita mo, kung may problema ka sa liver, pupunta siya sa liver, magiging liver cell. Kung pupunta siya sa heart, magiging heart cell. I will show to you all the researches done proving that stem cells can be used. And that's the only way. If you when we are born, our stem cells are active. So mga babies, stem cells are very active. There are about 16 million stem cells. Okay. But as we grow older, we reach the age of 50, 60. Ang ating stem cells ay senior citizen stem cells. At kumonti na sila, konti na lang pero hindi na sila active. Kumbaga, sa mga senior citizen, sedentary, wag lang nakaupo na lang maghapon, ayaw lang kumilos. So, paano kang gagaling? Okay? Kaya sa mga bata, pag sila nagkasakit, within, after 2 days, 3 days, recover na sila. Samantalang pag senior citizen, dahil napakain ng stem cell nila, pag sila inupo, mamayang konti, pneumonia, mamayang konti, ICU, mamayang konti, ICU in heaven. That means the stem cells are not working. But we can do that. We can perk up the stem cells. And it will make you very young and pretty. That's why nag-lecture ko nung kina Vicky Bello, way back 1999, I think twice, sa Quezon City General Hospital. Ang topic is how to stay young, beautiful, and handsome. At nag-lecture din ako sa Philippine Medical Association sa Midtown Hotel. Ang topic is how to stay young. Kaya kung makikita nila ako ngayon, totoo kasi sinasabi ni Dr. Navarro. Kasi kung makikita mo ko, when I was 40, I'm now 70 years old. When I was 47 years old, mas matanda pa ako noon kaysa ngayon. Okay? So, ginit kayo, at kayo babata pa, at tataas ang IQ nyo. Lahat na naman ko, no? Dito sa DCBD, where I'm connected also every Saturday, Sunday, Monday, kay Donald Fabrics, yung isang kasama ko doon si Jobs, yung kanyang anak, napakabobo. Ang grade niya, 60, 70. Nang ginumot ko yung bata, wala na siyang grade below 90. At ngayon, 18 years old na anak ni Jobs, nakita siya ng isang taga Oxford University na si professor, na sabi na, this lady is wonderful. Why? He's very, very sharp. So, in-offer siya ng 2 degree sa Oxford University. That means na perk up ko, IQ naman. Gusto nyo ba tumaas ang IQ nyo? Ayaw nyo na. Tapos, may pasyente ako, bata, asthma. Ginamot ko, ano sabi ng teacher niya? Mrs., napakabobo naman ang anak mo. Ihanap mo nga ng ihanap mo nga siya ng tutor. Within 3 months, magaling na yung bata, ang grade niya, 100. Nakakasya, di ba? Ngayon, minipot na sa akin, kukuha siya ng board exam. Sabi niya, Dr. Navarro, kinakabahan ako, kukuha ko ng board exam. Why? Ang grade ko, all below 80. 79, wala na akong baksa, 76 to 79. Makapasa ba ako sa board exam? I don't know. Can you stand sa enhancing? Help me. I don't know, sabi ko. You just try it if you like. So, he took my steps in enhancing. On the 3rd month, kumuha siya ng board exam, nag-top siya sa buong Pilipinas. Wonderful. Meron isang attorney. Okay? Nag-postgraduate course siya. Okay. Ang nagbigay ng exam sa kanila is from America, Justice, hindi Justice sa Supreme Court o sa Court of Appeals. Okay? Nabigay niya exam, may nakakapal, essay. Nabigay siya sa Amerika, sa Asia, during the Philippines, at sa Europe. Ang nag-top sa buong mundo is that fellow. Ang grade niya, perfect. Sabi ng kanyang professor, Dr. John Boyd, I'm amazed. I would find the best brain in the world in the Philippines. Okay? Introduction. So, kasama ko rito, my wife, my beloved wife, Dr. Liz. Liz. Actually po siya gumawa ng lahat. Everything. Okay, nagpapahin nila, kain dito, kain doon. Siya mga gumawa ng presentation ko. Kaya very important ang misis. Silang lahat, ang hirap sa trabaho, tayo pirma. Tapos, nandito pa si Roland. Si Roland. Siya in charge, kasama yung iba ko sa farm namin, Roheim Farm Resort. Doon, pag ipunta kayo doon, biblical setting. Kaharap ko doon is seminaryo. Kaya kung gusto mapalapit kay Lord, you should try there. And simulan si Attorney Herbert Navarro. Attorney Herbert. one of the best brain in the world. And si Dr. John Emmanuel. Yeah. Kasama ko siya sa disability pag Monday. Pag Sunday, sino nakikinig sa disability? Doon mo na topics, wala. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, meron din ako sa Radio Veritas. Tuwing Saturday, 3:30 to 5 p.m. Ang topic ko doon, Mission Impossible, Mission Accomplished. Ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng posibleng magamot by the grace of God ay magagamot sa klinika. Okay? Stage 4 cancer, heart attack, stroke, how fast they recover? Very, very fast. Skin diseases, wala nang recovery. In the clinic, they recover very fast. Okay? Yan lang po ang introduction natin. So start tayo ng lecture. Okay, ano sa inyo ang 2 hours o 1 hour na? Kasi extensive. Actually, this lecture is for postgraduate course in medicine and nursing. Kaya dapat kunin nyo kung magkano kayong doctor and nurses, tell them to attend my lecture every Sunday sa City Lunch Show Tower, 10 to 12. Ang topic ko is how to stay young, beautiful, and handsome. Dr. Jim, first step. Yeah. That means, meron tayong, alam niyo ba, meron tayong stem cells, no? But I'm not talking about the stem cell transplant. Kung galing sa magkakambal, kambal Katie, ang kambal Katie is kambal tuko. The same genetic makeup, wala ding side effect. Isograft. Kung galing sa ibang tao, allograft, may side effect na yan. Kung galing sa hayop, xenograft, galing sa tupa, mas grabe ang side effect. Pero sa akin, I brought together to produce this technology the scientific contribution of 3 German doctors. Si Dr. Schuller, when I followed him in early 70s, I was in after chief of hospital ko noon, ang ginagamit ko, insisted ni Dr. Schuller, he was using major mineral. Pero, it's not so fast. Sinama ko lang ang contribution ni Dr. Hans Krebs, siya ang author ng Krebs cycle sa Germany. Sino nakakaintindi ng biochemistry or chemistry dito? Wala po. Wala pong doktor dito. Wala pong doktor sa Victory Liner. Doktor sa PICC Orchestra, conductor. Nurse, wala rin nurse. Okay. That is stem cell. Pero dito, i-enhance ko lang at wala siyang side effect. Kung ikaw matanda, kulubot ka na, pag na-enhance mo ang stem cell mo, bababa na ng skin mo, babata ka. Kung ikaw may item, puputi ka. Malalago ka hindi. Okay, kaya kayo mga senior citizen, makinig kayo sa akin. Parang bumata kayo. Okay. Next slide, please. These are my references. Okay. This is what we call embryonic stem cells. They are taken from the embryo at the 6th day age. Kasi after fertilization, okay, it becomes an embryo. Up to 2 months, embryo ang tawag yan. From 2 months, fetus na yan hanggang birth na. So, if you harvest the stem cells from the embryo, it is multi-potential, and it will give rise to what we call the 3-germ layer, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. And this, from this 3-germ layer, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, will come all our organs, muscles, skin, and everything. Okay? Example, from ectoderm, you get the neural stem cells, which gives rise to nerves in the brain and the spinal cord. And of course, the epithelial stem cells, they will give rise to skin, hair. The same on source na, ectoderm. Then mesoderm, okay, you get the hematopoietic stem cells, which will give rise to red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets. Yung red blood cells sila ang tagadala ng oxygen. Yung white blood cells sila ang lumalaban sa, sila ang ating armed forces of the body. Panglaban doon. Okay, sa cancer. So, and then we have also the platelets, Okay? They clamp together to prevent, except pag bumabagsak sila, malakas ang bleeding mo. Okay. Then from there, we have the muscle stem cells, which give rise to muscle. Then mesenchymal stem cells. It will give rise to bones, cartilage, fats, and so on. Then we have there the endoderm, and these stem cells will give rise to gastrointestinal tract, pancreas, liver, lungs, and so on. So, from the stem cells, you can produce all the organs. So, when you are sick, and you have lung problem, okay? Sino may lung problem dito? Okay. May pasyente ako, pag sirang-sira ang lungs niya, pag siya gubo, bronchiectasis, wasak ang lungs niya. Okay? Pag siya gubo, blood ang lumalabas. Durasin ang dula ng dugo sa thoracic part. Okay, ganyan ko natin makikita ko siya. Pero, dalawang hospital na sabi, makapera siya, bibiyakin, pero mabubuhay lang siya na 8 years. Under my care, it's already 8 years. Mabubuhay lang siya. Plus, 6 years, 14 years na buhay pa siya. Stem cells, yan, definition, they have a remarkable potential to develop into many different cell types in the body. Kung nasira ang lungs mo, pupunta ang stem cell to, magiging lung cell. Sa mga hayop, if you cut their liver into 2, within 1 month, babalik na yung kalahati. Sa mga butike, sa mga rats, you cut ang buntot nila, babalik. Very, very active yung stem cell nila. Pero sa atin, hindi ganun ka-active. Putulin mo ang paa mo, babalik ba yun? Hindi, di ba? Okay. They serve as a sort of internal repair system. Bago po ito, no? Kasi dito tinuro sa amin sa College of Medicine. Bago na ito, yung mga research na ito. No? Internal repair system, dividing essentially without limit to replenish other cells. So the stem cells, they keep on multiplying as stem cells. Then they differentiate. When they differentiate, they become liver cell, they become heart cell, they become muscle cells, they become cartilage, they become bones, and osteoarthritis, arthritis, lahat yan. Maaayos. Nubo ng bilis. Masasya ka sa cell. When a stem cell divides, each new cell has the potential either to remain a stem cell. They divide as stem cells or become another type of cell with a more specialized function. But sabi mo, specialized, naging heart muscle siya. Naging muscle or contraction, naging nerve or conduction. By that time, this is a stem cell, specialized sila. Okay? Okay. All stem cells, regardless of their source, have 3 general properties. They are capable of dividing and renewing, okay, themselves for long periods. Okay. And specialized gives rise to specialized cells. So, pag sila unspecialized, stem cell lang sila. Okay, they keep on multiplying, stem cell lang sila. Yan, okay. Pero when they differentiate, they become muscle cells. Hindi sila stem cell. Ayan, kailangan para gagaling tayo sa lahat ng sakit, ma-activate natin ang ating stem cell. Unlike muscle cells, blood cells, or nerve cells, which do not normally replicate themselves, stem cells may replicate many times or proliferate. We have about 16 million stem cells. When I enhance your stem cells, the 16 million stem cells will add up another 25%. So that is another 4 million. And the result is, nagiging powerful siya more than an ordinary human being. Grabe ang nagiging effect. Katulad na ng sinasabi kong pasyente kanina, totally blind siya. Sabi ng dalawang hospital, tatanggalin ang mata niya. Under my care, okay. So they replicate many times or proliferate. Nag-multiply sila, stem cells pa rin. If the resulting cells continue to be unspecialized, like the parent stem cells, the cells are said to be capable of long-term cell renewal.
Baka sabihin yun, paano ako, senior citizen na ako, pwede ba ba yung stem cells sa akin? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Kasi siya kayo sa mga pasyente ginawa ko ng mga 83 years old. Nabuhay pa siya hanggang 97. When in fact, pinunarasan ng hospital na mamamatay siya. When he was 83. 97 buhay na buhay pa siya. At nagkakampanya pa siya sa sa governor daw. Okay. This stem cell theory of Navarro proposes that stem cells are naturally released by the bone marrow. So, very important ang bone marrow. Kaya pala tinawag ko kung Dr. Bruno.